The MER measurement is an averaged value of the modulation error rate in the RF channel, which is normally good enough to quantify the quality of the signal. However, it could happen that the average MER is good while the MER of some carriers within a DVB-T, DVB-T2 or DVB-C2 signal is quite bad. The MER by carrier function analyzes continuously the measure of the MER value for each one of the carriers forming the selected channel, and they are displayed graphically on screen. This tool is especially useful for the analysis of systems in which signals of different type and origin interfere with each other, as may occur during the transition from analog to digital TV. In order to access this tool, we will press F3 after one DVB-T2 or C2 channel has been tuned and demodulated, and select MER by carrier. In the horizontal axis, we can see the number of carriers, while in the vertical axis, the MER is shown. On the top right corner of the screen, we can see the averaged value of the MER among all the carriers, and the standard deviation for the MER. Wherever there is an interference signal, a drop in the MER of the affected carriers will occur.